Wheeling and dealing. Unraveling the art of negotiation and trading. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in business contexts: wheeling and dealing. This expression is rich in history and usage, and understanding it can add a colorful layer to your English comprehension. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Wheeling and dealing refers to the act of negotiating deals and arranging transactions, often in a way that is both shrewd and slightly cunning. It involves a lot of discussions, bargaining, and exchange of favors or goods. The phrase usually carries a connotation of savvy business practices, sometimes bordering on the manipulative, but it's not always negative. It can also reflect resourcefulness and the ability to navigate complex situations to achieve a goal. The origins of wheeling and dealing are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have emerged from the early 20th century, particularly in the context of the automotive industry or political arenas. Wheeling can evoke images of cars or earlier forms of transportation, moving, symbolizing progress or activity, while dealing directly refers to conducting transactions or negotiations. Together, they paint a picture of dynamic, often fast-paced negotiation tactics. Understanding how to use this phrase in context can greatly improve your conversational English, especially in business or casual discussions about strategy. Here are a few examples. In business, he's known for his wheeling and dealing in the real estate market, always finding the best deals. In politics, the election season is heating up with candidates wheeling and dealing behind the scenes for endorsements. In everyday conversation, I spent the whole afternoon wheeling and dealing at the flea market to get the best prices. While wheeling and dealing is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's important to grasp the cultural nuances. In some contexts, it can be admired as a skill of effective negotiation. In others, it might be viewed with suspicion or as unethical. Understanding the subtle differences in perception will help you use this phrase appropriately depending on your audience. We hope this exploration of wheeling and dealing has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English vocabulary. Whether you're negotiating a deal, discussing politics, or simply engaging in everyday conversation, knowing phrases like this can make your English more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!